Do you want to know how you can log into your writely.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your writely.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for writely.ai login. Scroll a bit down and click on the second link, which is the official login portal of Writely AI. Now you can log in using your email address, so go ahead and fill these boxes up. Write down your email address in this box over here and then write down your password. After you write down your email address and password, go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log into your writely.ai account. If you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you are not a member of writely.ai and don't have an account yet, go ahead and click on this link and you can create a Writely AI account now. I hope this video about how you can log into your writely.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.